New Harbor Freight US General Series 3 toolbox, 72 inches wide, 22 inches deep. It's your price for the upper box, the hutch, and the toolbox itself. They say this one's about 22 inches deep. The Icon is 24 inches. You guys can see the difference kind of right there. I have a Snap-on Classic at home that's 24 inches deep, kind of the same layout as this one, but a lot deeper. And then they say it's 22 inches deep, but I think the working depth of the top drawer itself is just over 19 inches, if you guys can see right there. So it's a pretty good value, I guess, for the price, but definitely not a full 22 inches deep. Still a nice looking toolbox. You got your power drawer right there. I think the Snap-on Classic I have at home, it's only about 55 inches, but it's got a few more drawers. And my top drawer is almost 22 inches of actual working storage right there, compared to this one that's only about 19. But pretty nice box. The Icon one is honestly a little bit better in my opinion. Way deeper drawers, better build quality, but not a bad box. Real quick, just want to show you guys the difference in the depth of the Icon toolbox. So this drawer, it's a full 22 inches deep compared to the 19 on the US General, which is exactly the same depth as my Snap-on Classic. Pretty good drawer layout. I like the deep drawer there and at the bottom. And you got this one that pretty much you could use for either hard cases or power tool storage. The second drawer here is pretty much where I would put all my wrenches and stuff like that. Then you got the older US General Series 2 down there. Those are actually on clearance now. But let me know what you guys think of the Series 3. Is it worth it? Might just buy a hutch and locker and throw it on my Snap-on Classic. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments.